Everyone is screaming that you can't make money with Amazon FBA anymore. YouTube, in the media, on the news. And it's so easy to just jump on this bandwagon and just say something is dead or even dying. And they're doing the same with Amazon FBA, but it's the same thing with everything else. But I can tell you straight up that all of that noise that Amazon FBA is dying is really just bullshit. How do I know this? Because I've been able to generate over multiple 7 figures through my Amazon businesses, and we run multiple Amazon businesses and still launch new products to this day and help other people launch these new products as well. For example, like our buddy Quang here, who did over $20,000 a month with his Amazon business, and he was doing this while he was on vacation with his family. Or our guy Roman, who did over $100,000 his first month of launch of a new product. He kind of full sent this inventory, and he did $100K in less than 30 days. And yes, he was profitable with 53% profit margins after advertising. And here's another case study with Joel doing over $10,000 in his first month of selling this new product, again, all in 2024. And he's running a net 22% profit margin for his first month of launch as well. Really impressive stuff. And I can tell you from someone who's been doing Amazon FBA for years and still doing it and plan on continue to do it for the next few decades, that the whole Amazon FBA being dead is just really not true. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys 5 exact reasons why you can still make money through Amazon. All right, let's go over point number 1, the market being oversaturated with new sellers coming in. Well, here's the thing. Amazon has been growing year over year, and there's 12 million products being sold on there. So it really doesn't matter how many people come into the space because there's always more customers and also more products being launched every single day. And if it was truly oversaturated, we wouldn't be able to continue launching new products on these accounts and be helping clients launch their new product as well. We literally have a full team doing product research and helping clients find these products, and we're surprised every single day how much opportunity there is selling the most random everyday products. It's insane. So I'm betting that since Amazon is taking 60% of all online sales, that they're going to continue to grow and customers are still going to be going to Amazon and buying these products, and there's going to be new products launched every single day. And what that means for you guys is that there's an opportunity out there for you as long as you know what you're looking for. The second point people might be worried about is all the regulations Amazon has or all the fees. Yes, it's true, you don't own your customer on Amazon, but you do take advantage of all of their resources such as warehousing, employees, and shipping and packing, and also organic traffic. I don't want to have to go out there and pay for every single customer to buy my product. I instead want people to already be ready to buy, see my product on Amazon, and just click and purchase, and that's it. I don't want to have to go find my customers. They're already there. So to me, it's really worth all the fees because I'm getting all of this free traffic, and that's worth the 30% Amazon takes and the rules that they have, because people still are able to make it, and we've been able to make it just by having these products that are high in margin and also creating quality listings that people want to buy. It really all comes down to knowing what you're doing. Amazon fees don't really matter if you have a product that has healthy margins at the end of the day. Point number 3 is if there's an economic collapse or a recession, how can Amazon hold? Well, the thing is, Amazon is still everyone's go-to place to buy products. Let's take an example of when the pandemic happened. We thought everything was going to be a shit show, everything was going to go downhill from there, but the opposite happened. Online sales actually increased during the pandemic. And because all these businesses started to close out, more people were staying home, more people bought online. And that actually increased Amazon even further and their capacity. At the end of the day, people are always going to be buying the essentials and the things that they need. And Amazon makes it super reliable for them to do that. So it makes it one of the more recession-proof type of business models out there. Number 4, Amazon isn't scalable or for the long term. But look, there's other business models out there like drop shipping where you may have heard a different kind of agenda where you have to find a new product to sell every month or even every week. But with Amazon, that's not the case. We sell year-round products, and since we own these products as well, they're not going out of style. And it's so scalable because you don't actually have to hold the inventory yourself and keep having to expand your own warehouse. You can just rely on Amazon's resources. So if you have an influx of inventory, Amazon can cover that for you. You don't have to hire more employees. You don't have to hire a larger warehouse or buy a larger warehouse. Amazon will just adjust to you and how many units you need. All you have to do is provide the inventory in there. So as you grow your business, Amazon's going to be helping it grow with you, making it super scalable. On top of that, Amazon nowadays is more of a search engine. So people go on there and they search what they're looking for with a intention to buy. So because of the organic traffic, and on top of that, you can advertise on Amazon. And let's not forget that Amazon and TikTok are starting to join forces together. So nowadays, you're going to be able to start seeing TikTok videos of products, and then you're going to have a direct link to Amazon. And so people are going to be taking advantage of this. Amazon's going to be making more money, and therefore the third-party sellers are going to be making more money as well. Last but not least, the final point is all of the foreign Chinese sellers on Amazon that are making a problem with all these sellers. But look, the reality is all of these Chinese sellers out there are really trying to make a quick buck. They're not in this for the long run. So they'll put half-assed products out there without putting a lot of emphasis on the brand and making something that's going to actually stand out. They're going to be putting something that looks really cheap, really photoshopped and everything, and try to make that quick buck. But for us, we're doing it a different route. We're starting to sell things in a way where these are real brands that are actually going to stay and beat out the competition. We're creating better value products and adjusting them, and we're creating better versions of products and not just selling something directly out of the manufacturer. We're creating better listings that showcase the benefits of these products better than the competition as well. And on top of that, we know our customer base better than anybody else because we are here in the States. We know how people act. Those competitors can undercut their price as much as possible, but we believe in providing a premium brand type of product. And when you have a premium product, people are willing to pay premium prices. And that helps keep your margins up and leaves the competition fighting for the bottom to try to get the scrap. So no, Amazon FBA is not dead. In fact, I'm actually more bullish on Amazon than ever. And that's why I'm on my way to doubling our business the next few years. So if you found this video useful and inspiring and you want to start or scale your own business, then I may have something for you guys. If you guys want to learn our blueprint on how we're doing Amazon in 2024, finding these niche products and doing this all for you and how to dominate your competition, and on top of that, running logistics very smoothly so you can start scaling your business to 6 and 7 figures. So if you guys want to learn how to use these logistics and also scale your business to 6 and 7 figures, click the first link in the description and register for my free training that I'm going to be doing for you guys. It doesn't matter if you've never made $1 online before. It doesn't matter if you have any prior working experience or if you've never heard of Amazon in the first place. It's still one of the most reliable business models to do in 2024. So what are you guys waiting for? Click the link in the description and I'll be able to help you guys out. And other than that, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.